Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can link your phone if you have a Windows computer or laptop and you have Android phone or iPhone. The process will be same in both devices, iPhone or Android, and you need to just follow my steps. Step number first, you need to have phone link app in your PC. You can find it from browser or Microsoft Stores. Uh, Click on it and you will see this option here and go on Android or iPhone, depends on your device. I'm gonna go on Android. And here on the phone, what you need to do, so here on phone, you need to have a phone link app installed in your phone too. Option sign in using the QR code on your PC. So you need to click on it and scan the QR code. You need to press on continue, enter code which will be shown on your PC as you can see. So here's the code I copied from my Gmail. You need to paste it, and here you need to wait few seconds more. And here you can see you need to give it all the permission required. And here continue. And as you can see, your whole Windows is done. Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye. Peace out.